Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being tethered to a cord while vacuuming? What a nightmare, I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Miele Duoflex HX1 CarCare Cordless Home, and this thing is a game changer. With its rechargeable battery, you can clean for an extended period without any interruptions. The sound of silence is music to my ears, no more annoying cord getting in the way. This vacuum is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs. The smooth texture of the handle feels great in my hand, and the weight is so evenly distributed that I can use it for hours without getting tired. The multi-floor performance is impressive, gliding effortlessly across hardwood, tiles, and low-pile carpets. The result is a beautifully clean floor that looks like new. I also love the 2-in-1 system. It converts from a stick vacuum to a handheld mode in seconds, allowing me to get into tight spaces and clean my car with ease. The feel of the handheld mode is so natural, it's like an extension of my arm. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The efficient dust filtration system captures fine dust and helps maintain cleaner indoor air, and the filter is removable and washable, a great bonus. I've used this vacuum to clean my entire house, from the kitchen to the bedrooms, and it's performed flawlessly every time. The compact body and attachable floor head make it easy to store, and the simple dustbin emptying is a breeze. I've tried other vacuums in the past, but this one is by far the best. The combination of its cordless convenience, lightweight design, and efficient filtration system make it a winner in my book. If you're in the market for a new vacuum, I highly recommend giving the Miele Duoflex HX1 a try. You won't be disappointed if this helped. Hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.